We're putting leaf filters on a $5 million home. No pressure. It's a custom home. All the details, every single detail is nothing but the best. It's the finest of everything. And we're not going to stop here. We'll show you what we did for these 4-inch round downspouts. The homeowner knows that if he doesn't do something to catch the leaves, he's going to have nothing but problems. With all these trees, you plug a line. If you can imagine that, plugging a line that runs under the driveway. Imagine your downspout line is under the driveway. How about a line that's under all these pavers? Beautiful brickwork. Have to tear out everything if you can't get it unclogged. So the homeowner found out about our leaf filters, knew it was a solution for his 4-inch round downspouts. I'm going to show you what the guys did. We had over a dozen downspouts that needed us to keep the leaves on all these trees from clogging the line. Now the best gutter system is a half round with 4-inch downspouts. You guys know that. I've done videos on it. I spoke of it. Not everybody can afford it. But I'm going to show you how we took an existing system that had 4-inch round downspouts that went into a PVC pipe underground, and I'm going to show you how we put our leaf filters on it. Now just remember, the longer the underground line is ran and the flatter, the higher probability of that line getting backed up. What happens when a line can't keep up? It's too flat. It's just too long and too flat. There's too much friction. So when you don't put the leaf filter in low and you put it up higher, water's not going to leak here anymore. Now you created some resistance. When you have some of that back pressure, the water's not going to leak right here. You don't have to tape that. You don't have to worry about that. Now you can see just how nice this came out. Such a nice look. Beautiful. You know, look at this. $5 million house. Did we take away from it? Absolutely not. We got leaf filters on all the downspouts. Look how clean that is. They just get lost in the shadows. Absolutely beautiful. Now this is a custom house. Everything has to be clean. Everything has to have a good fit. And this homeowner is expecting nothing but the best. He wanted French Drain Man's leaf filter, and he has 4-inch round downspouts on this home. He has half round gutters. Everything is custom. We only get one cut.
I know.
No pressure. No pressure.
No pressure, just got it right.
Yeah. Yeah, raise that one as high as you can, because you see how long and flat this run must be?
So we want to go higher on this one?
If you can, if it's there. Take it if it's there.
Like,
Yeah, it's a long flat run. It's real flat down here. We're at the lowest level.
Glass here.
During a hard rain, a real long, sustained thunderstorm, water begins to fill that pipe.
We've been doing them 12. Want to go 16?
Yeah, that'd be great. This was the one that I was the most worried about down here. Because it's on the steps, it's already elevated. It's like having, almost a 3-foot riser,
Right, because it's dropped.
So that one could be dropped right into the PVC.
So we can just cut this one and put it in?
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. Yeah, me and Dirk were talking about it, and I said, man, do you see the elevation the staircase gave that downspout? It ain't going to leak right at the PVC.
Oops.
Beautiful. Boy, is that nice. That really worked out slick. All right, so the guys have this one flush. They just set it in the PVC. They did a great job making that a dynamite fit. You want the downspout to go inside the leaf filter enough. And this is one thing that a lot of people get wrong. You want this downspout material to go just past this seam right here, because this is all one piece, and this door is leak proof. So as long as you get it past this seam, it will not leak. I wonder how this gentleman found us and how he learned about our leaf filter, but I'm glad that he, called us, because these long runs, can you imagine if you clogged these lines? I mean, geez,
Oh, yeah.
it'd be horrible,
Yeah, and there ain't just no replacing this one.
You gotta rip out.
Yeah, what a nightmare. What a nightmare. So, no, I mean, I'm sure he must have seen them maybe at a friend's house or something, or was told about them, but it was definitely the right move.
How many couples you got there? I had 6.
12, 14, 14.
Here, those go on nice, don't they? Do you think that went all the way through into the?
Yeah, I can see it.
It's in there.
Okay.
I mean, it's enough.
Nice. That turned out nice. Nice and clean. Really nice look. So we use our 3.5-inch pipe adapter on our leaf filter. You got male to female. You do not need to tape it. It will not leak. This is sealed right here. This 4-inch round aluminum downspout went into a piece of PVC pipe. The systems ran underground. This is a nice clean look. When you just have a section where you neck the water down just for a short bit, it does not slow the flow down. The water will actually speed up when it goes through that 3.5-inch coupler. That right there drops into the PVC. The guys dropped that one right into the PVC that was ran underground. You can see this is elevated, so we weren't worried about the water leaking right at the bottom of the leaf filter there. Here the guys have this a foot off the ground. They measured everything. An extra foot for the riser. Real good look. Beautiful install. Convenient and easy to get to the leaf filters. Our 4-inch round goes on these 4-inch downspouts. Beautiful. Take the top off and it makes it easy to install it. Once you drop the leaf filter down inside the pipe, slide that top down and it snaps right on. That's simple. Nice and clean. Real nice look. Really clean install. This is a custom home. We want to make sure that our work reflects it. It's easy for the homeowner now to get at that leaf filter, and with the riser being a little higher, we don't have to worry about the water leaking. You got to be careful with that. These risers, you want to have a bit of rise on your downspouts. Otherwise they can leak. You know, if this leaf filter was down here, it could leak. You bring it up a bit, that's enough right there to create enough resistance so the water can't back up and leak out right at the leaf filter. That came out nice. So our 3.5-inch reducer for our leaf filter, the guys just snap that on. This will set inside a 4-inch pipe. Riser doesn't have some elevation. You could end up with a leak right where this goes in the pipe. You don't want to do it right at the ground. So much easier with the top off. Really nice look. Very clean install. All the parts that French Drainman makes, we want them to be durable, long lasting. We want them to stand the test of time. We want them to be easy to install. And we want them to be so clean and classy and tasteful. We spent a lot of time on this leaf filter. You know, we have 4 patents on this leaf filter now. One of them is a design patent. Just an absolute beaut, and it doesn't take away from even a $5 million home. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.